How to turn off professional account on Instagram. Let's get started. Launch your Instagram app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page. Once you're over here, click on three bars given at the top right corner. Now here you're gonna find different section. Under For Professional, you'll find the option of Business Tools and Controls or Creator Tools and Controls. Click on that option. Now head over to the option Switch Account Type. Set it to Switch to Personal Account. When you switch to a personal account, you will lose access to in-app insights and insights from all of your content, including your promotions. You'll also lose access to Meta Business tools such as Meta Business Suite and Ads Manager. Your Meta verified subscription will also be cancelled for this account. Click on Switch to Personal Account. And just with that, you have turned off professional account on Instagram. Now you can head towards your profile page and check. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.